¿Cómo estás, Patricia? ¿Qué vale? Es que estoy en un proyecto y para generar ingresos vendo mi amigo.
Yo no entiendo nada tú dices. Mi español es basura, lo siento.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York.
Ah, really? Okay. Bueno, mi inglés igual apesta. Mi amigo y yo estamos en un proyecto, elaboramos enjambres.
Ok.
Do you know?
No.
Ok.
Yo no tengo una cash. Yo solo tarjeta, solo siento.
Ok.
Sí.
Bueno, bye.
Hasta luego.
Pueden meter ahí.
This little crafts market, or crafts and antique market, is like right out of the hostel that I'm staying at. But I was looking for the hats, but then I realized that I have no cash, so I'm gonna turn this into a room tour video. Lo siento. So, yeah. Man, these little markets are so much quieter than the ones that were in Mexico City. But it has a nice little vibe to it. Like, these people are, I don't want to say like they're more civilized, but they're hella more civilized. So yeah, I'm gonna turn this into a room tour video. Hopefully there's no one in my room. I had a 6-bed dorm the first 3 nights that I was here. 3 nights. Yeah, there were people, but last night I was in there alone, so it felt pretty good. So yeah, I need to get some cash so that I could buy this hat. This is the little street. Very colorful, just like all of Puebla and most of Mexico. And I'm staying at Casa Pepe, Puebla. In Mexico City, I stayed at Casa MX. But we went to, there were not a lot of vibes in Casa MX in Puebla, in Mexico City. So we used to go like down the street, like 4 doors down, to the Casa Pepe in Mexico City. So now, since there was a Casa Pepe in Puebla and it was way cheaper than the Casa Pepe in Mexico City, I decided to stay there, and the vibes are really good as well. So I'm happy about that. And I got a nice little room. Not all of the rooms have windows, but I chose one with a window. I guess it might be a little bit more expensive, but shit, I'd rather have natural light than no light at all. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the little room. And yeah, we're walking in right now. Buenas. There's some showers over here just in case people are using a shower in the room. Oh yeah. This is the room that I've been staying in. 6 beds, a decent little shower. There's no shower curtains, so the floor gets wet. This little shower head, and this is the shower gel that I used. I don't know what brand this is, but it dried out my skin tremendously. And there's hot water. Sink. The toilet is separate from the shower. I actually like that idea. But the only thing that I don't like is that there's no sink in the toilet. Oh yeah. I'm the only one here right now. This is my locker. 106. Oh, the rooms come with blanket and a pillow. But I didn't get one of these blankets. I got one of these comforters. So I'm happy about that. For once in my life, I took a bottom bunk. Because when I get up in the morning and I gotta pray, like it's weird, like kneeling in front of somebody's bed. So I decided to take a bottom bunk. I might stick with the bottom bunks as I go along as well. But yeah, I got me a little bottom bunk. I didn't make my bed this morning. Don't judge me, please. My shoes at the bottom. And my bag's in the corner. And so I'm the only one in this room right now. I guess because people don't want to pay the little extra $2 for the natural lighting. But I was willing to pay the extra $2 for the lighting. But it looks like I'm in a prison. But shit, natural lighting is the key. So yeah, this was a little room tour. I'll see you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Get this in the algorithm. Deuces.